The Greenworks 2100 PSI electropressure washer is a powerful and compact cleaning solution for various tasks around your home. With its impressive PSI and GPM ratings, this machine packs a punch, making light work of tough stains and grime. The SGS certification ensures its quality and reliability, giving you peace of mind. One of the standout features is its compact design, which includes a telescoping handle, making it easy to store and transport. This pressure washer is perfect for those with limited space or for those who need a portable cleaning solution. Despite its size, it delivers exceptional cleaning power, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you're tackling your car, driveway, patio, or even poolside furniture, this pressure washer handles it all with ease. The 1.2 GPM flow rate ensures efficient cleaning, and the 13-amp motor provides the necessary power. You'll be impressed by how quickly and effectively it removes dirt, grease, and other stubborn stains. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it comfortable to use, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the included accessories, such as different nozzles and a detergent tank, offer versatility and allow you to customize your cleaning experience. Overall, this Greenworks pressure washer is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking a powerful yet compact cleaning solution. Its performance, ease of use, and versatility make it a top contender in its class. With its ability to tackle various cleaning tasks, it's a must-have tool for maintaining a pristine home environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.